Hello, everybody. My name is Ambrose, and we're back with another episode of Pokemon Insurgence. Let me get the mic. Wait. Save files. File 2. There we are. I was starting to think I had the wrong thing. There we go. Nope. There we go. There's the run button. Now, last episode, what I remember is we escaped from that place that apparently wants to. I don't remember what they want to do, but I know we have to do something in this town or something. I don't know. I keep pressing the wrong buttons. Hello. My name is Professor Sylvan, or Sylvan. I'm gonna call you Sylvian. Sylvian. That's a weird name. I'm the professor of this town. Is that so? I suppose you want to start your Pokemon adventure. Most of the kids in the neighborhood have already gotten their EV from me, and are headed north to the trainer school in mid-air. You'll have to wait a bit, though. The town is busy preparing for the Agar arrival. Agar. Oh, Agar. It's Agar. And so am I. Why don't you come back later? No problessimo, lady. Stop pressing the wrong button. My stomach. Shouldn't have ate that hot dog. Is it in here? I'm pretty sure we go around this way because reasons, I don't know. I finished cleaning up the road. Is there anything else I can do? Right. Oh, this is Empress. I met him. Oh yeah, we met each other. That's right before we left. I met them at outside. They offered to help too. Nice to meet you, Ambrose. Well, Damien, I think we're pretty well. I think we're pretty well finished. That doesn't sound right. As long as you have your gift for the egg already, I think you're done. You do have a gift, don't you? Oh crap. Maybe I have forgotten. Of course you have. You better find one and fast. I heard you can find a rare stone in one of the caves in the forest. Now I'm giving it a French accent. Of the cave. Of course you will need a Pokemon to kill safely. No, absolutely not. Not a chance. Damien is not ready to get a Pokemon. He's still just a child. Mom, please, everyone else in the town has already got one, theirs, and left. And you're not gonna follow them. You'll get yourself killed. Why do you care? It's not like you're my real mom or anything. I've raised you since birth. You're not capable of raising a plant, let alone a Pokemon. You're irresponsible, antisocial, and you can't even. That is enough from you. I keep switching this guy's accent. That is enough from you. You said your name was Ambrose. You sure? You sure handled it? You sure have handled a Pokemon before? Yes. We'll lead on both. We'll lend one to both you and Damien. Will you be willing to help him through the forest to the cave to help him find a gift? No problem, of course. Wonderful. I am very grateful. So it's settled then. Ambrose will help Damien get a gift for the Agar. If Damien shows responsibility, perhaps he can keep the Pokemon afterwards. Well, how does that sound? Fine. He won't though. Wow, thanks, Mom. Ambrose, let's go. On your command, Damien. What is it? I'll meet you in the Pokemon Professor's Lab and get Eevee. There's a bunch of Eevees from Damien. Yep. I understand. Ambrose, thanks for agreeing to go with me. Yeah, that's what he said. I really mean it. It really means a lot. No problem. I got you, buddy. I wonder if the mic's loud enough. I don't know. Not loud enough, but you know what I mean. Receiving properly. I don't have Pokemon. Oh, so they just say hello. Anyway, to the Pokemon Professor's Lab. In we go. Now, I played this earlier, and while I was playing, my game kind of crashed, so I'm kind of scared that's going to happen again. What is it? Listen, Professor, these Pokemon, they're freaks. Oh. Not only is the trainer would want them, but we can't keep them any longer. All I want is for you to take them. You already keep a bunch of Eevees as it is. Surely these three won't be a bother. Why do you care about them? I know what you've done. It's true, I'm merciless. I've done some awful things. But there's no reason for these Pokemon to die. Hello? I'm Damien, and this is Ambrose, and we're here to get a Pokemon so we can go into the forest safely. ... Sylvan. Sylvian? I don't know. Sylvan. I'm gonna call you Sylvan. Sounds like a guy's name, but whatever. If you don't take these Pokemon, I will release them. They're sure to die in the wild. If you want, you can just give them to these kids, right? Put them on the table. Very well. Very well. Sorry, I forgot about your accent. Excuse me, please. Yeah, no problem. See ya. You two are in need of a Pokemon? Yes, ma'am. I see. That man. Oh, crap, I didn't get to read that. He's a smart man, a great scientist. And a great scientist. ... Yeah, that was 5. He's also the leader of the cult of... What? You mean that... Isn't that the one that captured us? Was trying to erase your mind and kill us? Those people are evil, Professor. Why is it... Alright. Tell me, Damien Ambrose, have you ever heard of something called Delta species? Nope. Me neither. Then allow me to explain. Delta Pokemon are based on phenomenons in the Hoenn region far away. Your Pokemon have different DNA than normal Pokemon. Oh, there. Simply put, they're typed differently than normal. For example, electric type, Dragonite, or a water type, Porygon. That's interesting. These Pokemon on the table are Deltas. I'm not sure what type they are, but they seem to be experiments of Bulbasaur, Charmander, and Squirtle. If they're scientific marvels, I would love to keep them. Now, normally I would give you an Eevee. However, it seems options you choose from. So I offer you this. You might choose a Pokemon one of the 3 totem Pokemon. The Eevee I normally give away. You talk to me, otherwise take your pick. I think I'm gonna get a Delta Pokemon. A Delta species Pokemon. Let's see, that's gotta be Charmander. Oh crap. I forgot this is randomized. Haunter. Purloin. Let's see. Legendary, Haunter, or Purloin. That's a hard choice. Fuck, okay. I don't know which one to get. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Alright then.
Alex. Alex. What happened to the room? Huh? Your room?
I'm gonna nickname it.
Huh?
Haunting.
You have to talk what?
I had to toss this side of my body. I was doing it one side.
Did you put it in your cereal?
Haunting. A loud background noise. You just love it, don't you guys?
There's a lot of leftovers in the refrigerator.
Leftovers what?
Macaroni and cheese. There's just spaghetti out there.
What she said?
There's a lot of leftovers in the refrigerator.
What's the leftovers? Like what?
Macaroni and cheese.
Uh-huh.
I had made spaghetti that was in there. There's still the sauce pot. I have put the sauce in the sauce pot.
Before we go to shoot first. Before we go to the shoot, okay, I'm gonna end this episode as well. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, background noise, it's insane. This is the most intense background noise I've ever gotten. I have no way of controlling this, guys. I'm so sorry. It's a Pikachu! Wait, that wasn't it. Right, randomized. Cool. I'm gonna lick your face. Why is mine level 7? That seems a bit unfair. Keep licking. Keep licking. I win! And I got a bunch of EXP. Even though that was way smaller than mine. Mean look.
Oh, I got some rice
Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Awesome. Good butler. Do you think you're gonna be a do? Alright, everybody. Here's the deal. I'm gonna have to forest. And the forest is a really large cave. Blah blah blah. I'll meet you there. Alright, see ya. Everybody's gonna talk to you for a moment. Sure, lady. Damien rushed off before I could give him one. Oh god, the background noise. It's burning my ears.
Can I help you now?
Oh god.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Pokedex, no problem. I don't know it. Alright then. I'm off. But now I'm gonna save. Yes. And then I'm gonna be gone. So that's the end of this. Goodbye.